Welcome to another video. We are going to see how to connect our smart bracelet watch to our phone. So, this is the smart bracelet watch. We are going to see how to connect it. So, on your phone. If you are using an Android phone, click on Play Store. Then, type HiFit Pro. Then, you click it to install. There are instances where those using a low-capacity Android phone, where the phone could find it difficult to connect to the watch. In that instance, there is a substitute platform where you can get a lower version of the app to connect it to the watch. In that instance, you head over to your phone browser and search for appkpure.com. Under that platform, you can search for a lower version. You can see older versions of the app, which you install in your phone to use. So, we head over to the app now. It's already installed in this phone. We are going to head over to the app to see how we can connect it to the phone. As you can from the watch, it has the default time with which it was manufactured, 12:55 a.m. At the moment, by the time it is connected to the phone through the app, the time would change, and it would be reading the time that is currently in the phone. So, let's search. Click Buying Devices to enjoy more features. So, it has been able to discover the watch. So click on it. It's currently connecting. So, as you can see, the time in the watch has changed. The app is now officially connected to the watch. As you can see, the time in the watch is now 10:12 a.m. So, we are going to see how to connect our various phone applications to the watch. So, click on Message Push. We are going to connect our SMS and call reminders to the watch. We commence with SMS. You can actually connect other apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter to the watch. And it depends on the sophistication of both your phone and the watch that will determine whether the apps can be connected to the watch. In this instance, we are going to test how messages and calls works on this watch. So, let us try it. Calling a number. As you can see, the phone is ringing while it's being indicated in the watch now. So, that's how it works. Let us send a text message. A text message to see how it comes out. As you can see, a text message has just been received. The message sent has been received. So, we are going to see other functions of the watch. We are going to see how we can change the wallpaper of the watch. We are going to see how we can change the wallpaper of the watch. So, click on Dial Settings. These are various default wallpapers in the app. So, to change the wallpaper, you can actually choose one of these wallpaper here. If you want to change the wallpaper with a picture from your phone gallery, click on Change the Dial. We are going to pick one of the wallpapers. Let's stick to this. Now, click SYCHRONIZED dial. So, it has connected. As you can see, it has connected. It has changed. So, that's how to change the wallpaper on the phone. You can import a custom wallpaper by using Change Dial from your gallery. So, there are other functions from the app. Although, it has a place where you can use it to check your heart rate and blood pressure. It does not produce an accurate result. It's just inbuilt there. It's not actually correct. So, that's the reading, but I don't know where it got that reading from. Please, subscribe and like. That's it really, how to connect this phone app to your smart bracelet watch. Thank you for watching.